In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a circular percentage frame with two examples. We're going to build a clean, simple layout that showcases percentage values using circular visuals. By the end, you'll have a frame with a clear title, a helpful description, and two percentage examples that are easy to read and reuse in any presentation or design. Start by creating a frame to hold everything. Think of the frame as your canvas or page. Pick a size that suits where this will live, whether that's a slide, a report, or a dashboard. Keep generous margins so the content feels balanced. Inside the frame, include a title at the top. Make it short and direct, like Progress Overview or Completion Status, so viewers know exactly what they're looking at. Just below, include a description. A single sentence explaining what the percentages represent adds helpful context. For example, you might clarify that the circles show progress toward a goal or completion of tasks. Now let's build percentage example 1. Choose the circle shape from your shape options and make a circle in your frame. Aim for equal width and height so it reads as a true circle and is visually consistent. With the circle selected, click on arc to switch from a full circle to an adjustable arc. You'll see an arc control you can drag. Drag it slowly to set the portion of the circle that's filled, then adjust a percentage precisely. For example, 50% will give you a half circle. This is a great benchmark to test readability. Half feels intuitive at a glance. Place this first example near your description so the relationship is clear, and give it enough space so it doesn't feel cramped. For percentage example 2, repeat the same process inside the same frame. Choose circle, make a circle, click on arc, and drag it to set the value. Keeping the second circle the same size as the first helps viewers compare them instantly. You can position it beside the first example, so the two percentages are easy to scan together. If your layout feels tight, adjust spacing within the frame rather than resizing the circles, so the percentages remain consistent. Before wrapping up, review the frame as a whole. Confirm the title is clear, the description sets the right expectations, and both examples are neatly placed and legible. With a single frame, a strong title, a concise description, and two arc-based circles, you've created a clean, effective way to visualize percentages.